Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to discuss passing variables into strings and declaring variables in C. So let's create a file. Let's go do Control X, Control F if you're using Emacs, and we'll call the file variables1.c. And what I'm going to do, we're going to do our comment at the top. Put your name if you're following along. The purpose of this is to demonstrate how to basically declare variables of the integer type, and pass into a string. We'll talk more about data types later. We'll do our copyright, of course, and we'll close that out. We'll include our header, and we'll have our main function, and we'll return 0 at the end of our main function. Now, to declare integers, which is what we'll be talking about in this video, we have to basically start with the word int, and then we can say something like Dean age and Castiel age. Those are going to be variables that are integers for their ages. I probably could name them better. We'll talk about that at a later point. And then we can say something like Dean age, well, that equals 41. Let's do Castiel age. That equals, let's see, I don't know, 400 million, something like that. And to pass these variables into a string, like a printf, we can say something like, we can start with Dean is, and then %d. That's going to be what we're going to use for integers, years old. After this, we have to put a comma and then put the name of the variable, Dean age. We end the line with a semicolon, and we can do printf, and we can do Castiel is %d years old, because we're also passing in an integer, but this time we want Castiel age, and we can end that with a semicolon. Now, at the end of these, we probably want periods and to have an escape character and go to the new line, so let's do that. Okay, let's save this file. Let's bring up eShell and let's run it. Well, compile it and then let's run it. So I'm starting to get a lot of files in here. We called this variables1. So I'm going to go GCC variables1. We're going to output. Let's just have the output called variables1. Now let's run variables1. And we see Dean is 41 years old and Castiel is 4 million years old. That's how we pass in an integer into a printf statement and how we declare integer variables. I hope you found this video interesting and liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.